Kaya, where's your frisbee?
Right there.
Right where?
Right there.
All the way over here? Frisbee! Pooh Bear! Come on! Come on, Pooh!
Not quite the same leap.
No. But she's gotten better about jumping. She's like a hippo.
She's totally a hippo here.
Hold on, let me just get her coming in.
Alright, boy, take your frisbee from her.
Meanie.
I got your frisbee. Uh-oh, going this way. Oh, she wants to go this step. Lily! Sorry.